Morning, Botai. Obviously, the most important part of Slichot is the Yud Gimel Midot, the 13 attributes of mercy of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. There's a machloket exactly how many times we say it. Mekubalim in Yerushalayim, in Bet El, the Kaf Chaim brings down that they used to say Yud Gimel Midot 4 times during Slichot. They used to take out the last one after Zikaron Lefnecha B'Shachak. Our minhag, the minhag of all Sfaradim today, is not like this. We say Yud Gimel Midot 5 times during Slichot. So now, the Ben Ish Chai writes that it's very, very important when a person says Yud Gimel Midot, when you start off Vayavor Hashem al Panav Vayikra, you have to separate, you have to pause for a moment between the two Shemot of Hashem. That's why there's a pasuk. Hashem, Hashem, Rashi HaKadosh on the Torah writes, Ani Hashem lifnei hachet, v'ani Hashem le'achar hachet. Before you sin, after you sin, it's a reference to Chazara b'tshuva. The Ben Ish Chai says that those who do not pause between the two Shemot Hashem will be punished severely. That's what he writes in Sefer Ben Ish Chai. Ashkenazim in general not so makpid. However, by us, you have to be very makpid. The Ben Ish Chai also says that when you count the Yud Gimel Midot, when you say them, you should count them with your fingers. The only problem is, what are the 13 attributes of mercy? How do you count them? What's the order? 4-way machloket rishonim. Ready? Watch this. The Tosafot, Rosh Hashanah, Daf Yud Zayin Amud Bet, quotes Rabbeinu Tam. It's not Rabbeinu Tam, it's the Rosh, Ramban, Sefer HaManhig. Many Rishonim hold like Rabbeinu Tam that the count starts from Hashem. The first Hashem is 1, second Hashem is 2, El 3, and so on and so forth. Tosfot brings down another opinion, B'Shem Rav Nisim Gaon, that the first name of Hashem is not part of the count. It starts, number 1 starts from the second Hashem. Okay? That's also the opinion of Rav Hai Gaon, Rav Saadia Gaon, the Rambam in Shuvat Peirador. Also many Rishonim hold like that. If you look in Tikkunei HaZohar and Sha'ar HaKavanot, Dari HaKadosh, based on the Zohar HaKadosh, they say, according to the Kabbalah, both names of Hashem are not part of the count. The count starts from El. So, there's also another opinion, Sefer Hasidim, that has a totally different count and counts at the end, V'salachta la'avonenu u'chatatenu u'chatanu, as part of the thing. So now, according to the Ben Ish Chai, he says to count the Yud Gimel Midot. So now I would ask you, what's the next question? How? Which count? According to what number? Therefore says Maran Zichrono Livracha in Chazon Ovadia, don't count Yud Gimel Midot with your fingers, because it's a machloket which number it is, where you start the count from. And therefore in your head, you say whatever the correct count is in Shamayim, that's what I'm mechavin, but don't count it with your fingers, because any which way you count it, you're going to negate another shita. You're going to negate another opinion, and that's not a good idea. We'll continue B'ezrat Hashem tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.